Hey, it's Bradley.
Hey Bradley, it's Kim and Emma from VaynerMedia.
So, a little bit of news. I know this is not that big of a deal to a lot of folks, but it's a huge deal to me. Everybody that knows me sort of knows that I am a huge Gary Vaynerchuk fan, unapologetically, and that's okay. But I really based my marketing / business on his philosophies. So it goes beyond just being a fan. Well, I got, as you probably guessed, if you know from the intro, got a phone call this morning. They want me to speak at Agent 2021, which is an insurance conference, insurance, real estate, mortgage brokers, and auto sales, I think. Conference hosted by VaynerMedia, with the keynote is Gary V. I'm going to speak / moderate some of the insurance panels, and that's it. I just wanted to get on here and announce that in my true fashion, which would be video. And I want everybody watching this to know, whether you're a follower on the page, a customer, or you work at VaynerMedia or part of the conference, how much it means to me. I don't think this would have happened without the podcast paired with some of my social stuff that I do. So, yep. 'Cause we're gone.